Hey out there, you cool cats and kittens. What up? Welcome back to another video, guys. It is a gloomy and rainy, stormy day out here. As you can see, rain is like coming in and out, and we getting these scattered rainstorms. So no riding today, just home. That's it. Good news, Wednesday I'm gonna be getting my service done and I'm gonna be getting the bike tuned, so tune in for that. 2 videos coming up this week just in that alone. And then today we're gonna be showing you guys how I flip my mirrors on my Lowrider S. If you saw the post that I posted up yesterday and on my Instagram as well, I showed you this is what it looks like right here. So I flipped the mirrors yesterday. I just wanted to see how the bike was gonna look. I'm not a big fan of it, that's why I'm gonna change it now. And I just wanted to make the video just to show you guys exactly what the bike looks like with the mirrors flipped. And then for those of you who want to learn how to flip your mirrors, because I know some of you guys right now are gonna say, oh my god, who doesn't know how to change mirrors or to flip mirrors? A lot of people don't. So I'm just gonna show you guys real quick how to flip those mirrors. And no more reason why I'm not gonna leave these mirrors flipped is I don't like the look of it on this bike. It does look better like on a Sportster. It's like a kind of like a Sportster type of thing. And then number 2, the right mirror does touch the tank, so I don't want to risk scratching my tank. I'll show you guys right now. I'll try to move it just a little bit. So as you guys can see right here, as soon as I start turning the bars over to the right, we're gonna get a clash right there. So I do not want to risk scratching this beautiful paint job. So I'm definitely gonna flip those up right now. This one, not so much. This one doesn't touch, so no issues with the left one. Yo, you on the vlog right now, bro?
You're not vlogging right now?
Yeah, right now. You're on the vlog right now. Put a shirt on, bro.
Yeah, right. Fuck you.
I'm dead ass, bro. I'm dead ass. You want right now? Eli, what's up, man?
Say hi.
What's up?
Alright, call you back.
Nah, I'm gonna call you back, bro. One. That was actually my cousin. He was the one who did the intro for me. Pretty cool intro. I'm pretty happy with that new intro. So we're gonna go take our tools right now and flip these mirrors over. Alright guys, so for those of you who's on the Sportster who have tried doing this and it doesn't work for you, I'm gonna explain right now really quick why it's not working. Pretty simple. It's because when you take these mirrors off, you're supposed to flip them on the opposite side. So this mirror on my left side right now actually belongs on the right side. So we're gonna take it off from the top. Alright, so just finish taking the bolt off. You're gonna have like this rubbery plastic, it's like a plastic washer, so don't lose that. Like mine just dropped right here. Take that with you. So like I was saying, this one actually belongs on this side. So anytime you're gonna be switching mirrors and flipping them upside down or downside up, whatever it is, you're just flopping them over, okay? Alright, we'll go ahead and do this one now. How's everybody doing today, by the way? What's everybody up to today? Like I said, out here in Jersey, it is cloudy, it is rainy. And after I do this, I'm gonna go edit this video, post it up, and keep playing Call of Duty. Because there's something else to do today. I wanted to work on my lawn. My lawn, like I want to get it really nice and perfect for the springtime right now. And due to the rain and everything, I won't be able to do that. So I gotta do a bunch of dethatching and raking and remowing, and I gotta lay down grass seed and do a bunch of stuff. I love doing that stuff, man. It's pretty cool. All right, so this one, obviously as you can see, I took it off. So I'm gonna take my left indicator, hold it in place so I can put my mirror in. Links right through it. Put my washer in. Use the button. And now the bolts. To the top. To the bottom. Alright, once you got it in place, real simple, anybody could do this, guys. Nice little, easy little free mod you could do on your bikes at home for anyone who wants to do this to your bike. Nice and easy. Now you got everything in place. Just sign it up and that's it. I really love like the way the bike looks with the mirrors on top. Gives it a more aggressive look. Alright, crank that up. Nice and tight. Make sure it's in place. Main reason why I did this yesterday is because my left mirror was actually loose and I started tightening it up and then I was like, you know what, let me just flip the mirrors over. Let me just see what the bike looks like with them like that. Gotta make sure my line of vision is good. Very good. Nice and normal. Back to normal. Okay, all you cool classic kittens, that's gonna be it. If you're new to my channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. Like always, ride safe and enjoy the ride. Peace.